Do you know what are the common sites for venous blood collection? When a vein is pricked by a needle for the removal of blood, it is known as venipuncture. The most common site for venipuncture is the antecubital fossa, which is located in the anterior elbow at the fold. This area has three veins. This one is cephalic vein. This one is basilic vein. And at last, this one is median cubital vein. Median cubital vein connects the cephalic vein and basilic vein. These veins may be visible in some individual but may not be visible in some individuals. These veins can be felt in some individuals and other may not felt depending upon the amount of muscle and fat tissue they have. The veins pattern may also run differently between individuals. Out of these veins, median cubital vein is preferred to collect blood sample because it is larger and it has a lower tendency to move or roll when the needle is inserted. There are also fewer nerve endings surrounding this vein, making venipuncture less painful at this site. Some people, the cephalic vein and the basilic vein may be easily located than the median cubital vein. And in this case, median cubital vein may be appropriate vein to draw the blood. The phlebotomist must take care in anchoring those veins well to prevent rolling. Sometimes the veins in the antecubital fossa are not appropriate to perform venipuncture. In that case, the blood is collected from the dorsal or the back side of the hand. These veins are similar to the veins of antecubital fossa. They are prominent in different positions on different individuals. The veins in the hand has a tendency to move or roll. So the phlebotomist should ensure that the skin is pulled taut and the vein is well anchored down prior to the needle insertion. Venous blood can also be collected from the femoral vein, jugular vein and skull vein. But these are not common sites for venipuncture. These sites require extra caution and expertise for collection of blood. Thank you.